Alright, you wonderful lot. Time for some unboxing. 3 packages today. 2 fairly hefty. Do I need to go into this? Can I get the tag? No. Can't get the tag. My first pre-San Francisco Daredevil Volume 7 from Mark Waid, Copeland and Rodriguez and Samney. In Daredevil 31 to 36. Volume 6 is pretty hard to find. Trust me. And it's not cheap when you find it. I will get it eventually. Right. So let's see what this is. Birds of Prey Platinum Flats. Tony Bernard O'Hare, Scott and St. Aubin. Birds of Prey 119 to 124. Cool, off the rope. What next? And up to that one. And what's this? Last one. Last one. So still lots to come, but this is the Swamp Thing, issue 12 from V. Perkins and Spicer. Variant cover by William Sharpe. I got it. William Sharpe. So I've already got the issue covered by somebody else. So there you go, Daredevil Volume 7. Platinum Flats from Birds of Prey, Tony Bernard, and something very cover, Neil Sharpe. And that's that. We're 612. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that notification bell, and sacrifice your firstborn to Satan. Probably best not to do the last thing. Up to you. But yeah, peace and I'm out.